سنة الله في الذين خلوا من قبل وكان أمر الله قدرا مقدورا الذين يبلغون رسالات الله ويخشونه ولا يخشون أحدا إلا الله وكفى بالله حسيبا ما كان محمد أبا أحد من رجالكم ولكن رسول الله وخاتم النبيين وكان الله بكل شيء عليما صدق الله العظيم हमारे प्यारे नबी अलैहिस्सलाम ने इरशाद फरमाया कि लोगों में से बेहतरीन शख्स वो होता है कि जिसका अखलाक दूसरे लोगों के साथ अच्छा हो। अब मैं आप हजरात के सामने दुआ कराऊंगा तो आप तमाम हजरात अपने हाथों को दुआ के लिए उठा लीजिए। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदिना व मौलाना मुहम्मदिन व बारिक व सल्लिम। या अल्लाह इस इदारे को अपने हबीब के तवस्सुल से तरक्की अता फरमा। इस इदारे के अंदर जितने भी बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं या अल्लाह इनको इल्म नाफ़े अता फरमा। इनके इल्म के अंदर इनके अमल के अंदर या अल्लाह मज़ीद बरकतें अता फरमा। अल्लाह ख़ास तौर पर हमारे इस इदारे के मालिक सर गुलाम मुस्तफ़ा साहब, उनका साया हमारे सरों पर तादेर कायम दायम फरमा। उनके इल्म के अंदर उनकी उम्र के अंदर मज़ीद बरकतें अता फरमा। सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला खैरि खल्क़िही मुहम्मदिन व अला आलिही व अस्हाबिही अजमईन बिरहमतिका या अरहमर राहिमीन।
A very good morning to all of you and welcome back to school. I would like to say Happy Independence Day to all of you, those who were not here on the celebration day. We all missed you a lot. Inshallah, from today we are going to start with our new year, hoping to have a great year together. Please be regular, be punctual, be disciplined and respect your teachers. Do not argue with them. All right? Will you do that? Can you come to school every day on time without getting late? Can you be disciplined? Whatever mistakes we have done in the previous year, we can promise not to repeat those. Can we do that? Yes or no? You cannot stay quiet. Either say yes or no. Yes or no? That's better. Thank you very much and a very warm welcome to all of you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. A very warm welcome for this brand new session 2024-25. Wish you good luck everyone, those who has joined us right now. First of all say Alhamdulillah everyone that we all are here together. I want to listen you. Alhamdulillah say everyone loudly. Because we had also passed from the severe era of COVID. So Alhamdulillah, we all are here for the new session. Allah will help us and guide us to the right pathway, to guide you all. And I wish that all of my staff members, along with everyone in this area, will have the good health and everyone will guide you according to the expectations of your parents. Wish you good luck for this session. And as Ma'am Zainab said to you, regularity is the key of success. Be regular, be punctual and be disciplined. These three are the very important messages of the day. Remember it throughout your session. Am I right or wrong? I think that you had experience because those who are not regular, they miss a lot. So please try to be regular from this day one. And those who are not coming to school, please send them this message that they should also be regular.
How are you all? I must say that it's very good to see you all here, recharge after a summer break. Now it's time to unleash your talent in a new direction. And so therefore you all have to stay focused and make this learning a memorable journey this time. And I would like to add something over here. If you all want to climb up the ladder of the success, so how can you achieve this in this new session 2024 and 25? You all have to work by dint of hard work and determination. Then only you can achieve your target. So, best of luck for the new session 24 and 25. Now let's get the academic party started. Jazakallah.
Come on, loudly. Show your energy. Today is your first day of school. Come on. Assalamu alaikum. That's really good. I'm very excited to welcome you all here. And of course, we have started this session with positive attitude, and we learn, discover new things together. Inshallah. Say inshallah. So let's introduce my new faculty member, Miss Sana Shahzad. First I'll start Nasra teacher. Sarasif, please come up on the stage. Music teacher, Sir Tahir, and Miss Sana Shahzad. She has joined us as a subject teacher. And of course, the name, it's not new for us, but it's, of course, her designation is new, Miss Sana Zishan. Please clap for them. Thank you so much.